Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're holding Bitcoin on your Ledger Nano X and want to move it over to Revolut for easier access or spending, you're in the right place. Today, we're walking through a step-by-step guide on how to do this in 2025. This process is straightforward, but remember, crypto transactions involve real money, so we'll prioritize security every step of the way. First things first, make sure your Ledger Nano X is set up and updated. Open the Ledger Live app on your computer or mobile device. It's your gateway to managing your hardware wallet. If you haven't already, connect your Ledger Nano X via USB and enter your PIN for access. Next, navigate to the Bitcoin section in Ledger Live. Here, you'll see your Bitcoin balance. To initiate a transfer, select the Send option. Now, you'll need your Revolut account details. Open the Revolut app, go to your crypto section, and generate a Bitcoin deposit address. This is crucial. Copy this address carefully to avoid any mistakes. Back in Ledger Live, paste the Revolut Bitcoin address into the recipient field. Double-check everything. The address, the amount you want to send, and any fees involved. Crypto fees can vary, so aim for a balance between speed and cost. Once you're confident, hit Confirm on your Ledger device itself for that extra layer of security. After confirmation, sit tight. Blockchain transactions aren't instant. They might take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion in 2025. Keep an eye on both Ledger Live and your Revolut app to track the progress. One quick tip. Always verify the transaction on a blockchain explorer like blockchain.com to ensure it went through correctly. And hey, if you're new to this, never share your private keys or recovery phrases. Scams are rampant. There you have it, folks. You've just transferred Bitcoin from your Ledger Nano X to Revolut. This method keeps your assets secure while making them more accessible. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and stay crypto savvy.